Go on. Action.
One day, on a peaceful morning in spring, on the island of Georgia, there's two tank engines that were working slowly and useful on the railway. But when the express train comes to the farm, it runs out of coal, and there's no coal stops around. So it has to stay there for 10 seconds for the fireman to go and get 99 pieces of coal to put in its bunker. And after that happens, it's set back off on its journey to the other side of the railway. The end. Please subscribe and like. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, please.